there! We are going to have a little exam review. This will be for, obviously, Computer Fundamentals, Unit 8, Advanced Analysis, where we did lots and lots of work on spreadsheets. Okay, a formula equals C2 plus D3 is in cell E5. If I copy that formula to cell E6, what is the new formula in cell E6? Just give it some thought. Remember the dollar signs. And notice there are no dollar signs here. So the answer would be C3 plus D4. Because it will always, if you move one cell up, in numbers I guess, one cell up, then the formula is going to add a cell in the formula. Okay, so C2 plus D3 is going to become C3 plus D4. We're adding one. Now if you don't want that to happen, remember you will be adding dollar signs into the formula, and so it will remain C2 plus D3. Alright, the count function calculates how many cells with data were in the range, so the number of cells. The sum function calculates the total of the cells in that range. Let's take a look at what that would look like. Alright, so for example, the count of the following numbers would be 5, because there are 5 numbers. The sum would be 49, because all of those numbers added together is 49. Okay, how many cells are in the range C5 to C12? Now our first instinct is to maybe subtract 5 from 12, but that would not be correct. Give it a minute. Okay, there would be 8 because you have to include both C5 and C12 and all the cells in between. Okay, so it would actually be C12 minus C5 with 7, and then you need to add one more. Here are a few different ways to sort. As you can see, ascending over here, ascending means to go up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going up. Descending means to go down. Okay, and then shuffled means that there is just no order. It's completely random. Alright, there are only 3 different keys can be used in a single sort. Okay, only 3 can be used in a single sort. Now why is this picture here? For those Potter fans, Harry Potter, you will know that this is the sorting hat. I know, cheesy. Alright, a spreadsheet can be filtered by more than one column at a time. Sorry, I see this got cut off a little bit. I was going to try to... There we go. Just squeeze it all in. Okay, and when you filter, it does not actually remove the data from the spreadsheet. It just hides it. So, it does take it off. Alright, so remove it, yes, but it doesn't delete it. Okay, it just hides it for the moment. In conditional formatting, you can set up to 3 conditions. For example, if x is greater than 100, make the number red. If x is greater than 50, then make the number yellow. If x is greater than 20, then make the number green. Now the way that you would do that, as you know from our projects, is to highlight a whole column and then click on conditional formatting. You can have the condition, which would be, x is greater than 100. And if that's the case, then you can change the font, you can change the fill, you can change the color of the font. okay, to highlight that. So conditional formatting helps you highlight certain things. And then any number not meeting these conditions will remain black. Okay, this formula right here automatically inserts the results in the current worksheet. When you have multiple worksheets, you can often get data from a different worksheet than you're on. So you can flip through the worksheets using data from one but inserting it in another. So the formula will automatically insert the result into whatever your current worksheet is, but you can tell by this right here that even though it's going to place the results in your current worksheet, it is retrieving its data from a worksheet called source data. And same here. Okay, and that's going to do it for us today. Just a quick little exam review, only 10 questions on the exam. After this, you should be able to ace it. If you do not and you would like to try again, please just let me know, and I would be happy to reset it for you. All right, good luck on the test.